Welcome to Online Learning with Rana. I am your instructor Rana Shazad. So we are creating a CMS. In a previous lecture we inserted a category into our database. So uh, let's start business. Today we will do it for our brand. So in previous lecture we inserted only category into database. Now we will do it for our brand. So we will insert as it is the same like that, no difference any. So this it will be the same code that we did in a category. Let's have a look. Yes. So we inserted a category and we found the record in our database. So category inserted. So there is no any record in a brand table, and we will do it for right now. When we insert it, click on X, it's go to no URL, number sign URL. We didn't give it yet. Okay. If I your controller, so we give a add brand, and now copy the same code that we did in the category, and there will be slight changes that we will make. Copy it, come to paste it, add new successfully. So just change cat name, brand name, required, brand title, brand date. Again, this field must be equal or same with your database table name, table field. If I go to structure, it is a brand ID and brand title or brand date. So brand title and brand date must be the same that we are giving here, because exactly the same data array will insert into the database. And this mistake we did in a category where the brand title is a spell mistake with that brand title, and there was a double L. Okay. Date, session set date, please enter brand name, admin, and definitely will go to now redirect this to the same controller and the page where the actual request generated. Add underscore brand, add brand, this method, and common model insert it to brands table. Let me check brands. Okay. The session set flash data page category, brand added. Save it now. We have set the changes in our controller. There is syntax 946. What it was. This and if and class and end the function and method and method and brand method. Okay, the changes in the controller is now set, and let's see a view. Insert brand, everything is right there. Add new brand name and submit. Okay, now submit the farm data to a controller echo base underscore URL controller directory is admin, under admin brand is controller, and add brand successfully is the method. When the farm data is submitted, the data request will go to a brand controller and brand method. When we receive the data in our brand category, so add new, this is add new successfully. Okay, the data will be received and through this method and inserted into database. Let me change add new, there is a mistake, successfully control S. Okay, the farm data is submitted and brand is also set. Brand. Okay, let's check if we found some. First of all, just see there is empty table in brand. Okay, refresh, add new, just enter, click on save and give an empty field. For page not found, brand, add new successfully. Add brand, go to insert brand, once all, save all, maybe it will be the cashier, look lost. Okay, let me check the header, that we set it or not yet, because data is fetching brands. Admin brand, add brand. Okay, give the field test for the page not found. Let's have a check the record. No. inspect element. Let's see we are getting data or not. Save. Network. Add new successfully. I didn't find the page. Params. Insert and test. Yes, save the field from test. Response, what's response? Given error. Let me close all the files once again and refresh your directory. And successfully SUSS successfully refresh, save. Now its record is saved. Let's check our database. Refresh your database. Yes, the brand title 0 is inserted. Test 1, save brand. Again 0 is coming from there. Again 0 is coming. Because we have copied the same code, that's why some error are coming. Let's have a look again the code. We are missing some cat. Didn't change the cat. Brand title, brand date, form validation, page edit, please enter brand name, add pin brand, add brand, else this input post, yeah, brand name, refresh, test 3 inserted and refresh. Yes, now the title is set in a database. Okay, close view, inspect element. Now let's show the notification that we did in nzcat. Copy the same code here and display in after the separate class here. Control S. When you enter, it will show please enter brand name, and when you enter test4, and it will give you a success message, and we will see in our database. So the test4 code is found in a database. Okay. So here we did with a brand also, and now we inserted our records into database, and in the next lecture we will start to fetch data from database and to display it on our browser that we have already set in a category, show all category. So we will fetch data from database and through controller, and it is send me back to the that page, show all category. When we click on the all the data will be displayed here. So it's all, and keep watching and sharing, and please let me know if you face any problem during your practice session, or if you want any improvement in regarding video lectures or regarding my content, or if you want a new things in programming or development or environment. Kindly give me feedback, and your feedback will be fruitful for me. It will be a booster for me to make a more videos that will educate you, and definitely it makes me to do more effort and more work. And that's all. Take care. Have a good time.